Well, your forecast is starting to sound a bit like a broken record. Good Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm Jason Laird from the Storm Tracker Weather Center. High pressure continues to dominate, allowing for very hot weather to set in. Low humidity levels also dealing with some wind today. A couple spotty storms throughout southwestern Montana, possibly making it up toward Lewistown this afternoon, but a very high fire danger yet again. So when we look at our fire variables today, we got them all. So critical fire weather is going to be the main talking point. Temperatures well into the 80s and 90s today. Very low humidity levels and wind gusts not crazy, but still over 25 miles per hour. That's more than enough to get a fire to spread very rapidly. So in anticipation of this, the National Weather Service has issued a fire weather warning for most of central and north central Montana, telling us that we have critical fire weather, very low humidities, winds, and dry vegetation and conditions. With the active fires that we do have, starting to see some decreased air quality, you could say, and some hazy skies throughout most of Montana. All of the state will likely see some sort of haze today, but you notice, especially in and around the fire near Helena, this system is likely going to kind of drift up toward Great Falls just north of Lewistown. So I anticipate if you were to create kind of a triangle here from Helena to Great Falls to Lewistown and over, that area is likely going to be pretty smoky today given the direction of the winds. Currently, air quality not bad in Great Falls. Helena starting to see moderate air quality. Same story with Lewistown. I do anticipate that that is going to decrease. In other words, the air quality is going to go down as the day progresses. Here's how your day is going to play out. Like I said, couple spotty storms are possible today, so starting off the day as you're heading to work in the mid-60s, 70s in eastern Montana. By the noon hour, we'll wind those temperatures well into the 80s, still under mostly sunny skies. Really, the only clouds we're going to see today are kind of the hazy conditions. However, this afternoon, we'll see an increased chance of a few spotty storms throughout southwestern Montana. Keep your eye over here near Butte, into Helena, Bozeman. That will likely kick a little dose of moisture just south of Lewistown. Now, today's storms have a little bit better potential of producing some actual rain. However, the big concern with these systems is dry lightning. We don't have a lot of moisture to work with. Really, the main reason we're getting these storms is convection, a lot of daytime heat. So these storms just don't really have much in the way of moisture to work with, so they're relatively dry in nature, hail, lightning being the big impacts. Today, winding up to 91 for your daytime high in and around Great Falls. Really, right now, it looks like temperatures are going to peak on the 1st of August. So Thursday of this week is what's going to be the real hot one. Same story here in Helena. A little bit above average today, then more like 4 degrees above average Wednesday, Thursday, with temperatures finally tapering off later this week as the little system moves in.